Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the no speakers or headphones plugged in error on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are facing the frustrating error that says no speakers or headphones are plugged in, even when they are, this video will guide you through the necessary steps to resolve it. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab, which is located on the left-hand side list. Scroll down within the System tab and select Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Locate the Audio Troubleshooter and click the Run button next to it. This troubleshooter usually does a great job of detecting and resolving audio device issues. Next, go to the Bluetooth and Devices tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Devices. This section will display all your connected devices, and it might also show your microphone. Once you have addressed any device issues, return to the System tab and select Sound. Go to the Input section, which pertains to your microphone, and verify if it is functioning correctly. A crucial step in resolving audio problems is updating your audio drivers. To do this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on the first listed item and select Update Driver. Repeat this process for the second item and consider updating all drivers in this category if available. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.